for the up and comers, man. The last one we did was last year, 2024, in the same month too, February 17th. Now it's the 23rd, and we're just gonna do specifically recording. Not gonna do the streaming part. Let's get straight into it. So the mic, most important, do not manually do it. Just go straight into settings. Get a GAD global audio device. Set up your mic through this. Mic sounds way better. Press. Let's go to recording. This is right here. But we just focusing on recording only. Let's get into the Elgato. And what made me do this was Help Me Devon. Help Me Devon helps a lot of people that's getting into engineering at home. And he be getting out the sauce, so I'm like, I'll get out the sauce too. Or I'm becoming, I want to do goddamn YouTube. YouTube only. I'm not doing the streaming part. Maybe in another video, but not doing the streaming part. But if you look, you can figure it out. Cause like this already gives it away with software I'm using. So here we go. All the settings. Did I show everything one by one? This helps like making the game audio sounds good, the Elgato. Make sure I show everything one by one. Perfect. And then, so the reason I put gaming, your ears, is because it's what you hear. And what the recording hears is the Elgato, but through the desktop audio. So if the gameplay is louder than your voice, you're recording, you gotta turn this bitch down. That's why I have it at 24. So my mic is louder. So 24 would probably be like right here. You know what I'm saying? Let's go to desktop audio. Got a limiter to keep 2K lower than the mic. And now for the main thing, the mic. So this is for SHURE SM7B. Everybody's voice is different, everybody's mic is different. I do have the fan on, so you might hear it a little bit. You know, I can't record without having the fan on, so yeah, I might hear it a little bit, even though I got all these shit turned on. It still finds a way to get through a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, the way I did this, the way I set up all the settings was based off of looking at the audio levels. Audio mixer. So 28, I just went 28. 28 somewhere around here. So what we did like that. 30. To get this plugin, you gotta download. Let me find the name. Wave Central. There's a whole YouTube video on how to download the Studio Rack. Just go on YouTube, type in Wave Studio Rack for OBS. You know, you find a white dude, he'll teach you just like he taught me. You know what I'm saying? Wave Studio Rack YouTube tutorial. Once you figure that out, you know, you have to buy these plugins. Gotta get it on sale. So 35 be right here. So anything under 35 should get affected. So any noise and shit get reduced a lot. Noise gate. Alright, so the open threshold is when the mic gets picked up. And the closed threshold, like when the audio goes past 20, it should turn off. Like you see how fast after it went to 20, it just went down. And then once the audio picks up at 26, that's when you hear it. So tag, 5 seconds, half a second. Expanders, same thing as the noise reduction, 35. So expander is a reverse compressor. So anything under the threshold is getting affected. If it's a compressor, anything above the threshold past it is getting affected. So 35 is right here. So the expander is affecting anything under. This was a compressor. Anything over it would be getting affected. Says right here, then we we got our subtractive EQ. Subtractive EQ is just listening to your mic and just taking out bad noises you don't like. So for this, I just go on Google and type in vocal EQ sheet, and we just went off that. So you're gonna have to play around. This is just based off your voice, your mic, your bedroom. It's like buying a preset for FL Studio or any DAW. You know, you gotta adjust it to your room, voice, etc. That's subtract the EQ. We got 2. Add the EQ. Boominess, you know, that's self-explanatory, like closeness in the mic. So, you know, we gotta chop that down a little bit. Chop that down a little bit. And there's a lot of EQs, but we gotta try our best. And plus, I did not want to turn the fan off, so you know, I gotta put a lot of EQs. And this room gets hot. I gotta keep the fan on at all times, and I don't know. But that's why you gotta do a lot of EQ. If you're gonna keep the fan on, you're gonna have to do a lot of EQ and a lot of subtractive EQ. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but you know, you can just pause it. You know, share with your friends. You know, that I'll become a content creator or you're a content creator. This is not a streaming video. Do not ask me no fucking Twitch questions. It's just for recording YouTube content. Okay, did I show it? Hold on. I think I'm going a little bit too fast. There we go. We're just cutting out right here some unnecessary frequency. So anything on the 80s you can cut off. Unnecessary high frequency. Anything past 17 you can cut off. Did we show everything? I think we did. I don't know. Well, hopefully we got everything, but yeah, I get the gist of subtract the EQ, just taking out unnecessary noises. A de-esser. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom. And de-esser is just take away the S sound as much as possible. You can't completely remove the S sound. All you do is suppress it. So as you can see right there as I'm talking, the suppressing is kicking in. Okay, second one. And this you have to go to fabfilter.com, buy it there or buy off of Sweetwater. You know, there's a YouTube video for that. Just type in. But you don't really need YouTube. Just go to fabfilter.com, go to Sweetwater. You know, you buy us and you go through the email. Another de-esser. Yeah, a lot of de-essing. You know, you want to get them S sounds under control. And this is all, and I'm just summing all this 5 years of trial and error, bro. All this summed up in like a 10-minute video. I think this is way longer than the last video we did. I had way less plugins back then than I do now. Another Waves, you know, buy this at waves.com. Gotta download the Wave Central app. You look it up on YouTube, how to download. You know what I'm saying? YouTube is free. You know what I'm saying? So this says right here. Next one. Also, I'll put the mic setup in the description, the mic in the interface using the Focusrite. Now the compressor. Hopefully you remember, you know, it's not a expander, it's a compressor, so anything past 13 and or 1320. Oh shit, what the fuck? Additive EQ, just boost it up. Subtractive EQ, all this compression. Now we're gonna bring it back up. You know what? It sound like you fucking in the closet or some shit. We just bring all this back up. And again, you just use a vocal EQ sheet on Google. Vocal EQ cheat sheet. And then go to images and a bunch of shit will pop up. And this is for SM7B limiter. We're not going over the streamer shit because it's just recording only, but that's what we're rocking right now. One more thing. Enhanced properties. Oh yeah, if your mic is delayed, you know what I'm saying, you want to mess around with the sync offset, you know, this is based off your microphone, PC, all that, audio output. Alright, so I totally forgot while editing, you know, chopping up the commentary. I didn't show the DaVinci Pro like I did last time. So here's the build version I'm using. I'm not using the newest version because the last time I used the new version, they took away a very important feature where you can just cut it up with the mouse. There right here. Like in the newer versions, you can't go like this. Like this option is gone. The last time I updated, they took this option out. I'm like, oh hell no. If any developer is watching, you need to put that shit back. The fact that I couldn't go split and then cut in the newer version was crazy. Maybe they got it now, but the last time I tried to update it, that was like last year, they did not have it. So if you want the option to cut and split, so you can it just makes cutting up commentary just way smoother. So yeah, get the build version. I'm gonna show it again, even though you could have rewinded it. I'm just gonna show it again. Version 18.14 build 9. You can just go to DaVinci website, or I think it's called Black Magic Forum, the download link. But yeah, this is the version I'm using. From the last OBS video we did, the last video we did, I feel like I said it like 3 times. We showed DaVinci, but we kind of do it differently now. So once this video is done, same settings, nothing changed. Just go on my channel, type in OBS, see the old video, but nothing's changed. And I think I showed everything. Like, I think I showed the last video. So this is my setup for YouTube. So once it gets done rendering, I go to another project called Export Boost, just to make it a little bit more louder for YouTube. And I put the shit here, Export Boost 6.0. We're here, nothing too crazy. Then once it goes through the first project and it goes to the Export Boost, then I upload to YouTube. The same thing with TikTok videos. You know what I'm saying? TikTok videos do the same thing. You know, PS5 clips, you know, you gotta make it a little bit louder, but the same thing. Once the TikTok video renders through this, it goes through the Export Boost. And the Export Boost is TikTok, TikTok Export Boost here. Goes to one project file, then I put it through this, then I upload to YouTube. So a little bit different. I put my videos to 2 project files, then I upload it. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe, people. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. We're doing Dragon Age, Velguard. We're doing Lost Records, Blooming Rage right now. In March, we're gonna do Assassin's Creed, and we're gonna start another walkthrough. So subscribe, be on the lookout for that. And yeah, like and subscribe. Peace.